Today I am going to show you how I dyed this beautiful hair that I was rocking in the Bahamas. And by the way, my Bahamas vlog will soon be up on my channel. I just wanted to make a note of that so you guys can watch out for it. So I'm taking 2 bundles of my 613 hair from my hair extensions line, which is called the Peaches Beauty Collection, and I am using the Wella Charm color in ash blonde, in nutmeg, to dye the roots of that hair. And in order to do this, you will need your toner developer and also your purple shampoo, which is the Shimmer Light shampoo that I showed. So I'm using 1 pack of the Wella nutmeg toner, and I'm measuring 2 parts of the developer to 1 bottle of the Wella. So as you can see now, I'm mixing that, and I am going to lightly place it on the hair, being very careful so that the toner don't go on my lace. That's basically what I'm going to do, and after doing that, I'm going to let it sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to wash it out. I'm actually putting a foil paper on there, the aluminum foil on there, so that I don't get any color on my camera, because I'm doing this in my bathroom. And normally I would go in my kitchen and do that, but I'm doing it in my bathroom. So I'm just taking my time and brushing that out with the brush. I'm just depositing the powder on my hair basically. And now I'm being careful so that the toner also don't tint the lace in the front, because I know I've tried it before and I messed up the lace. So I'm just trying to be very careful so that it really don't look odd. I know that sometimes if you put like color on the lace, it's going to tint it, but then the toner sometimes will not stick on there. But then again, depending on which color you're using, it does, tint the lace. So I'm just overall being careful because I don't want the toner on the lace, pretty much. And so I'm just going to leave you guys to wash. It's not anything special that I'm doing. I'm only tinting the lace so that I can make my wig cap. I probably filmed how I made my wig cap. If not, I'm just going to insert pictures so that you guys can see the final look of this wig cap. Of the bundles that I'm going to make into a wig cap. It basically took me like 3 hours because I had no time. We had to fly out early morning, so I was in a hurry, and I did everything in one night. I started bleaching it. I started tuning the hair, I would say at 9 o'clock, and start making the wig by, I would say, at 12 o'clock. And so by 2-3 in the morning, that hair was on my head, and I was heading out to the Bahamas. Okay, guys, I'm that kind of person that if I want it, I get it. If I have to do something, I have to do it. I don't wait. So hey, I know you guys can hear me out. I got some sisters out there that are just like me. Yes, we know who we are. And so I don't think it's a big deal. I think if you want something, you work towards it and you get it. That's basically what I go for all the time. And so yeah, just sit back and enjoy this video. And at a certain part of this video, you're gonna see how I also use my repair constructor. Most of the products that I use, in fact all the products that I use were from Iron. I bought the color sealant. I bought the deep conditioner, the intense conditioner. I bought that from Sally's. They had a sale going on where you buy 2 bottles and get 1 free. And so I stock up on my conditioner, I stock up on my color sealant, I stock up on pretty much everything. And so yeah, the guys, that's just how the hair looks now after it sat for about 30 minutes. That's what it turned out to be. And so I'm just plucking my ring light to give more lighting so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm using a very tight space, so of course you know, it didn't really show everything on the screen at once. But yes, I'm just washing out that toner first, and then I will take the purple shampoo, wash it out, and then also go in with the conditioner that I show you, and I'm gonna let it stay there for about 10 to 15 minutes, wash it out and towel dry the hair. And then I went ahead and check out this hair. Okay, you guys see how bleached the hair is, but look at the luster in the hair. I haven't even put the conditioner there yet, the Reconstructor there yet, and the hair is already back to life. It's shining and everything. This hair is high quality hair. You know, I can say any day because I know the kind of hair that I'm selling. I've used the hair for over 3-4 years, and so I'm not joking. Some of the wigs that you guys will see me with in my upcoming videos are wigs that I've had from my hairline. So I pretty much try out the hair for a while before I started, you know, selling it. And so you guys can see, you see how shining that hair is. I'm just trying to rinse out the Reconstructor. I didn't use a conditioner because I was using that Reconstructor pretty much. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and just stay until the end, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye bye now.